Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we are making balsamic pork roast, and this is a recipe that I won an award for, and I thought it would be a good idea to share it with you today. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make the rub. And for that we need cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, the French green mustard, oil, and of course, balsamic vinegar. We're going to start off with a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of and a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of the mustard. We're going to need 2 teaspoons of that. That's about 2 teaspoons. Another one in there. You can use whatever oil you have. This is great with avocado oil, which I have now, or you could use olive oil. That would be great too. And we're going to put a tablespoon of that. Put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Okay. Now, I have this little whisk, and does a great job on small things like this. You see I'm stirring this all up. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, here's my pork roast. And you can see this side has fat on it. So what we're going to do, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to score it. I have a good sharp knife. I'm scoring it. Don't score it all the way through. Like that is good. I'm going to do the other side. Make it mix. This is why we wear rubber gloves. I lined my pan with oil to make cleanup a little bit easier. And now I'll put the rack back in. And now, pork roast. I'm going to take my hands and start putting this rub powder and make sure you get it inside little places where we squirt it. Put it on the sides too, on the bottom. This is a square dot from ThermoWorks. What this does is it's going to take the temperature of my roast. So I'm going to stick this in first. Okay, that's in. And then we're going to take this, put it in here like this, and turn it on. Pork is done when it reaches 145 degrees. Now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of slow cook this in the oven, and then when it reaches that temperature, we're going to char it on the cast iron grill. This is very much like a reverse, same kind of thing you would do a reverse sear with steak. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the temperature that we need, 145. There we go, 145. Now, this goes on the outside of the oven. The roast goes inside the oven, and I'm going to cook it at 275 degrees. Okay, she's out of the oven, and we're going to be putting her on this cast iron griddle. Okay, let's take a temperature reading here. We are at 550, yeah, we are in that 500 degree temperature range, which is fine. And now, there's my friend, and I'm going to put her on. I'm going to put her fat side down. And that's going to be for about 30 seconds. Isn't that sizzling wonderful sound? Turn it on the other side. It's going to sit for about 5 or 10 minutes so that all the juices settle, and then we'll carve it and we'll see how it tastes. Okay, it has rested, and I'm going to take a little bite right here. See how nice and tender it is. It's a beautiful crust. I think maybe I'll get a little of that crust. That has beautiful flavor. It's moist and it's tender. Exactly what you want in a pork roast. See you next time on The Good Plate.